Hi, I'm Sandy, the creator of Tutie, Cutie, Tutus. And for today's tutorial, I'd like to show you how to make these cute little bows here. I use these for my Minnie Mouse dress. They're really simple to make. The supplies you'll need are 1.5 inch ribbon. It don't have to be any certain kind of ribbon really, but I'm using this kind. Some needle and thread, a hot glue gun, some sharp scissors, and a lighter. The first thing you'll do is cut a strip of the ribbon, and I'm going to measure this, and it is to make about this size here. It is 9.5 inches, and it will make about a 4-inch bow. And I'm making 8 of these, so just cut that out. And take your lighter, seal the edges so they don't fray. Don't do it too much. Okay, and then you're going to take your needle and thread and put a big knot at the end. I did like a double knot, I think. And just take your ribbon and you're gonna almost like put the edges together here, overlapping each other a little. And you're gonna, you could measure what the middle is, but I just kind of guess at it. You could actually pull it up like that and squeeze right here and make a little line, indentation, and then put it like that. Now, see, now it shows me where the middle is. And what I do is just stick your needle from the back, come out where the indentation is, look through, and if you want it to look kind of nice, do it like you pinch it together and then push it like that with your fingers. And all I do is just wrap it around, wrap the thread around, and kind of adjust it to where you want it to look. This side looks a little bigger, so I'm going to push it a little. This side over here looks a little too big. Okay. So that's about right. So wrap it around a few times to where it's snug and sturdy. And then you're gonna take your needle back through to the back. And just finish it off with a double knot. So cut that thread, put it to the side. what I do, I cut about, let's see, three-fourths of an inch. About like that. And heat seal the edges. And then just take your little piece and you're gonna wrap it around. And if you look, mine still looks a little crooked, so keep that over that way a little. So take your glue gun and put some under that first bit there. You're going to take the other end, put a little glue on it, and stretch it over to where it's almost on top of the other one. And there you have your little bow. They're so cute and simple to make. And this one, I just hooked a little hair clip to it. You can slide them under this before you glue it. Just glue one side under it and then just wrap it over the hair clip. Another way you could put the middle part on is get a smallish piece, tie like a knot, and kind of move it around to what kind of size you want, and probably be better to use smaller ribbon. Let's see. You could do that too. That's cute too. So either way, really. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.